What's up, y'all? Dano here, back again with an awesome recipe for you. Today it's all about the Chipotle, the hot Chipotle. This is spicier than the spicy. It's not gonna set you on fire, but it's definitely gonna give you some more heat. It's about 3 times as hot as the spicy. You guys, we're gonna make an awesome recipe today. We are making Chipotle Parmesan chicken, and it's gonna be fantastic. Let's get to it. You can take these breasts and cook them by themselves, but I like to pound them out. I'm gonna get them thin, so I'm gonna tenderize them a little bit. So just lay out, whoop, easy, easy. We're just gonna get us a big piece of this saran wrap. Gonna lay it right over the top. Now let me tell y'all one thing. Hold on one second. Let me show y'all something. You guys, I used to always use one of these meat tenderizers to pound my chicken. Now I pound it with this because one day I didn't have this, so I got this, and it's so much easier to tenderize your chicken with a rolling pin than it is this. Look, I'll show you. Look, we'll go with the one with the big knots on it. Got a little bit of a bouncy table. That's all right. I mean, this thing works. But you always run the chance of it penetrating through the saran wrap, and then you got a mess on your hands. So that works, yes. Not saying it doesn't work, but watch this. Rolling pin. It's doing the same thing. Look at that. So you can do it either way. I guess in this demonstration, this one is definitely prettier, but I'm just saying, you can use a rolling pin too. Now the reason why I like to tenderize the chicken, I'm telling you what, give it a try yourself. When you pound out a piece of chicken compared to a chicken breast that's not pounded out, this is gonna be way better. I don't know why, I don't know how to explain it. It has something to do with beating down the proteins and whatnot, but I'm just telling you, this is the way to do it. So you guys, we're almost there. That one was a lot prettier. That one was perfect right there. This one, yeah, I may have got a little aggressive, but as you can see, this one with the spikes. So really, out of all of them, this one's the prettiest, in my opinion. So, what we're gonna do now, like I said, you guys, this is super easy. And this is super delicious. It's all about this new Chipotle. So what I'm gonna do now, and this is keto friendly as well. I'm gonna take my Chipotle and I'm gonna cover it. The beautiful thing about Dano's, once again, it's low sodium, all natural, no sugar. So I put a lot on there and it's not overdoing it. I'm telling you guys, look at that. When I put it on there, people think it's too much. Well, it's not salty. It's the beautiful thing. We're just getting that flavor into the chicken. What we're gonna do from here, we're just gonna turn this over like that so we can season the other side. We'll make room on here. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be awesome. Now we're gonna season the top side. Now we're gonna take these beautiful roasted bell peppers. You can get you some bell peppers and roast them yourself, but coming out of this can, I'm telling you, they're good. So I'll get me a couple of these bell peppers and I just lay it over the top like this, just like that. One second. All right, y'all, correction real quick. I'm gonna pick this bell pepper up and I'm gonna put a little cheese on first, just a little bit. Because what this is going to do is when this melts, it's going to help the bell pepper kind of adhere and stick to the chicken. So we'll put some cheese on there, Parmesan cheese. And then we'll get our bell peppers on here. Wow, that's a whole pepper. So yeah, look at that bad boy. Yeah. So we'll take this bell pepper just like so. Lay that right there. And we'll lay that right there. Here, we got a little, look at that. Boom. We're gonna hit it with a little bit more Chipotle. It's gonna be packed full of flavor, you guys. And then more Parmesan cheese. Now this time we're gonna hit it with a lot of Parmesan. We'll cover that bad boy. Just like so. And one more final sprinkle of the Chipotle. Now I know everybody's like, oh, he uses a whole bottle every time. You guys, I'm just adding flavor. Look, I just opened the thing. I did not use a whole bottle. So let's throw this in the oven. We're gonna cook this at 375. And we're gonna see where it's at in about 20 minutes. It'll probably be done because I pounded these out so they're thin. So probably in about 20 minutes at 375. So let's cook it. Going in. All right, y'all. It's been about 16, 17 minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain this juice. I'm trying not to lose my chicken. It smells amazing. All right. We're gonna put this back in on broil and get it crispy on top. All right, we're ready. Look at that. That looks amazing. Got it crispy on the top. This whole room smells of Chipotle Danos. It's a smell you've probably never smelled before and you need to, because I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Let's cut into it. Look at that. Looks pretty. So now we gotta get a bite. I say we gotta get a bite, like, oh, we have to. Don't force me to, please. All right, let's go in for it. Well, everything dropped off, but that's awesome. Let's get another bite. Look at that. You got the cheese on there, you got the crusted the Parmesan on top, a little cheese in between. Look at that bite right there. Yeah, I'm doing that. Yes. I'm so glad, because somebody told me to make Parmesan chicken, and I'm so glad I added that bell pepper on there, because I just love a roasted bell pepper. That, my friends, is amazing. Like I said, it's the new Chipotle Danos on there. This is not super hot. Just because it says hot Chipotle, don't think that it's gonna be setting you on fire. This is just a great, spicy Chipotle flavor. And I'm telling you guys what, if you hadn't Yum Yum got you some yet, maybe this will give you a reason. Try all three of them. Look, we have our original, our spicy, and now we have the hot Chipotle. And I'm telling you guys what, there's nothing like Danos. It's low sodium, real flavor. That's why I can use more of it. This is not salty at all. This is just flavor packed, delicious. I promise you 100% you won't regret it. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, keep sprinkling, my friends. We'll see you soon.